Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, children. How are doing? All are fine and safe in your houses? So let's start our class. What we are learning today is India. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means एकता में अनेकता. Right? Like अनेकता में एकता. You can reverse it. दोनों भी reverse करके बोल सकते हैं हम. एकता में अनेकता या अनेकता में एकता. Okay? So let's see what is India. Unity in diversity. क्या है unity in diversity का मतलब क्या है इसमें? Let's see. Okay? So you can see here. You have already seen that in spite of different landscape, India has geographical unit, right? It's a very, we can say, the fence of the India is very large. It has also culture unity. India has second highest population in the world. First कौन है? जो population में सबसे highest है? Can you tell me, children? Which is the first country in the world who is highest in the population? China. China is the first highest population in the world and India comes next to it. The second highest population in the world. Okay. From the earliest time, people from other countries came to the northwest passes in the mountain and settled downwards to India. They adopted our culture and become a part of us. We are all Indian first, than we are other caste. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and united in the spite of diversity and all. Okay. So just see the brief explanation of this. Religion. India is the birthplace of four great major religions of the world. India is the birthplace of four great major religions, the चार major religion in the world. Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Okay. Religions such as Islam, Christianity and Judaism reached India a century ago. Okay. India is the home to one of the oldest civilization of the world. Okay. It is the home of the oldest civilization. It is a country. It has many races, many religion, many language, many culture, many custom, various type of dress style, various type of food facilities. But we all are united as a country, right? सब हम एक साथ एक है. We have different things, but we are one of all are. जैसे हमारी लैंग्वेज अलग है, हमारा रिलीजन अलग है, हमारा कस्टम अलग है. What we eat, जो हम खाना खाते हैं वो हर तरीके से अलग अलग है. जैसे हम कपड़े पहनते हैं और सब जने अपने अपने तरीके से ड्रेसेस करते हैं. But we all are in one country, that is India. Okay. So differences in clothing and food. There are large varieties in the kind of food we eat. जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसमें differences बहुत है. कौन किस तरीके से खाते हैं, किसी का स्टाइल अलग है खाने का, किसी का कुक जो करते हैं वो अलग अलग स्टाइल से कुक करते हैं. जैसे नॉर्थ इंडियन कुजीन, साउथ इंडियन कुजीन and all that, Punjabis, Muslims, Hindus, Sikhism, all the people were cook in a different manner with their different procedure. Okay. And even the what they wear, they all also are different, right? With their religion, they wear the clothes. Okay. There are several reasons why this is so. So let's see. Just turn the page. Clothing. You have learned earlier that the India has high mountain, flats, plains and desert. India में high mountains है, flat plains है, deserts है, और जो people जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश के उन लोग कहाँ रहते हैं, हाई माउंटेन्स पे रहते हैं. तो उन लोगों को वो हिसाब से ड्रेस करने का रहता. टू हाइड द कोल्ड, टू हाइड द, we can say, protect themselves from the cold. Okay. They keep goat and sheep to make the garments. जो goat और sheep के जो skin रहती है उससे garment बनाते हैं वो लोग. Okay. Because there will be a very high temperature. We can say the low temperature. The cold is very high there. So it requires the thick cloth to cover their body and to protect from the cold. Okay. So let's continue in the next class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.